Autumn's a fantastic time of year at Harlow Carr. Because the soil's slightly acidic, we get some really gorgeous colours, and we have a lot of acers here and they just look amazing at this time of year.
I like, as you walk in the entrance, just the view and being able to see all of the autumn colour, particularly the acers. You see one as soon as you walk in, it's bright red and looks really cool.
So this is the Subtropicana garden. It's been really popular and it's all looking quite nice really. Lots of different textures, lots of cannas, dahlias. Something that perhaps people come into a garden in the north wouldn't normally see.
I love Harlow Carr and this season and the way that they do the gardens here, it's really enjoyable.
There's a fabulous Rudbeckia border here that's they've got 42 different types of Rudbeckia. I mean, I didn't know that there were 42.
We're just designing our garden to build a little bit of a kitchen garden. Then we've seen the size of this one, it's fantastic.
I work in the kitchen garden at Harlow Carr Gardens, and the crops that do quite well at this time of year, cabbages and kales, are winter hardy and they've been growing all season long, so at this time of year they're fairly large and they actually lose their bitterness once the frost hits them, so they actually taste nicer. All our veg goes to staff and volunteers, which is the next perk of the job.
Just earlier it had been raining very heavily and then the sun shone through the clouds and that was really beautiful. I was walking by the stream there and just the raindrops on the water is lovely.
As a family we really like the stream with all the bridges. My little boy loves to try and look under the bridge to see if he can find a trawl. So we do spend a lot of time by the stream.
My daughter, who's 14 and a half, she's really loving it. She's got an autumn coloured jacket on and she's just loving the fresh air. So yeah, there really is something for everyone at Harlow Carr.
My garden's quite small, so I tend to take inspiration from the pots, how they're taking different plants and putting them together to do something different.
So we have a fantastic range of crab apples. Crab apples come in all sorts of colours. And also we have some ornamental crab apples that look like plums. Very nice crab apples, bring in pollinating insects, and they also produce a late food source for the birds.
You certainly see an increase in bird life, especially if it becomes very chilly, and then you will get squirrels planting their cache of acorns.
The colours are just magic. I mean, it's a good autumn this year, I think, and the trees, you feel more grateful to be outside because you know the weather's closing in. So it's really important to make the most of it, I think, while you can.
Autumn is probably, for me, one of the best months. You're still getting the warmth of the sunshine, so it's warming the soil still, and also the colours. It's just fantastic.
The light's different in autumn, and actually if it's raining you do get this lovely droplets and they shine like little jewels, so you can just get a really good flavour of what's been round the corner and what's to come. It's just a great time of year.